Good morning, everybody. I'm back for another little video here, just to give you an update on my small urban food forest here in South Florida. And today it's all about mangoes mostly. Here's my Kent. I've already taken down one or two, but most of them are still pretty green and not ready yet. And they'll keep growing because these get pretty big. But you can tell had a decent harvest this year. Some good production. My Glen didn't give me too much this year. Give me like 40 mangoes. I've taken most of them down. Let's see if I see. There's a few left. You can see up there. Let me go in there. You can see there's one right there. So there's a few left, but I got most of them. I mean, I love Glens. I love traditional tasty mangoes, so those are great. They really taste good. I have a carry in the front. That one gave me I had trimmed it, it's grown back, but it gave me like 10 or 15. Still got a few up there because the carry kind of hides the mangoes. My maize are coming too. My Key West right here, you see I got probably like 8 or 10 big ones and a bunch of little ones for the following year. My yard is a bit of a mess. Just have to take a week that I just clear it all out. So sorry for that, but I've been really busy. And then here you see what I call the yellow mango, which they're so fibrous, but they're super sweet. What you do is you squeeze them, and then you open a little hole in the top, and you just drink it like if you're drinking mango juice. And it just it's crazy how it just come. It's like grapevines, like a bundle of grapes instead of mangoes. I mean, look at that back there. Absolutely crazy how basically they're just clustered together like that. It's crazy. Now this is my white mango. I've given you the names in the other videos, but I like calling them my white and my yellow mango. My white because it's got a little tinge of white in the flesh, but this one gives also a million of them. You can see in there, but look, this is just today. It's got a whole bucket just from today. Look at this. See? They're not that big. Very, very sweet. Some fiber though. Not as fibrous as the yellow one, but some fiber.